Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2025 highlights. My name is Carlos, and I'm a consultant certified in Employee Central. I'm located in LATAM, and I work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We're one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I'll be reviewing some key release updates for Employee Central. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com, the Contact Us link, or for current clients, reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Deprecation of deduction MDF objects for Employee Central compensation. The one-time deduction user and the one-time deduction item MDF objects will be deleted on May 14, 2027. Only the one-time deduction MDF object will be required moving forward. The following objects will be deprecated: one-time deduction item and one-time deduction user. If you currently have custom fields in the one-time deduction item or user subject, migrate to the one-time deduction MDF object before the deletion date. Enhance permission roles for accessing employee data during rehire. Now you can enable target populations for the permission roles to rehire inactive employees with the new employment and all employment through the duplicate check. When the duplicate check identifies matched employees, contingent workers, and alumni, their identification information is displayed. When a match is accepted for an old or new employment, the system now checks the role-based permissions to ensure the match employee is within the target populations defined for the user conducting the rehire. The story UI for full profile has been redesigned to provide a more streamlined experience when you manage previous, current, and future of effective dated entities. The updated history UI brings all records together on a single page, making it easier for users to navigate and manage. This streamlined view allows administrators and managers to more effectively monitor, review, and handle changes to employee data. Exact bank code matching for search results of bank field. New method to apply exact matching of bank codes to the search results of bank field has been introduced. This provides a flexible search method in payment information. If not applied, the fuzzy matching takes effect by default while searching for bank codes. Enhancements for contingent workers. Prevent users from deleting and contingent workers job information records through UI. Restrict update of work order dates during FTE transition. Allow positions made inactive after termination during the import of job information. You are now unable to delete ECWK job information record through UI. However, users can still delete ECWK records using data imports. While it's allowed to terminate and rehire someone from contingent to FTE, or the same way or the other way around, they should not have both types of employment active in the system at the same time. An enhanced validation is added during full purge and incremental imports of job information for contingent workers. This validation ensures that the assigned position remains active throughout the contingent worker's employment period. Mass data management supports job relationships. Now you can flexibly create a list of employees where changes to job relationships are required so that the new relationships are reflected efficiently. Administrators and HR representatives can streamline and simplify the process of bulk updating of employee master data for job relationships with this solution. The enhancement allows customers to change the assignee or update custom fields in bulk for existing job relationships, making large-scale updates faster and more efficient. Removal of pending request permission. All users can now access the pending workflows page without requiring a specific permission. Since the pending workflows page only displays requests that the user has either submitted or already acted on, there is no need to perform a permission check. This update streamlines system administration and makes business configuration more efficient. Workflow enhancements in latest people profile. The latest people profile uses a details UI page for editing, shows the subject, user's job title, and profile preview only if they are in the approver's target population, and mask unchanged PII fields while leaving changed once unmasked. The latest people profile displays contributors and CC roles on separate lines with hidden duplicates, follows workflow define order, and shows approvers by default while collapsing others, and also restricts access to names and avatars based on permissions. These enhancements simplify workflow handling and make HR transactions more efficient in the latest people profile. Switch between multiple active employments in SAP SuccessFactors Mobile. Employees and managers can now seamlessly switch between their active employment records within the mobile app. Once they select a specific employment as active, they can view data and complete tasks relevant to that particular role. Employees and managers can now switch between their active employment records to review relevant data and carry out tasks associated with each specific role. Deprecation of rehire inactive employees. The Rehire Inactive Employees tool will be deleted May 16, 2026. This tool is being replaced with a duplicate check dialog. Replacing the Rehire Inactive Employees tool will reduce the number of errors in rehiring as the system will automatically search using national ID and other personally identifying information. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.